last period we had seen two-sided errors and their rectification. Okay. So now we will do the fifth question. So here you have to look. Sales we are recorded in the purchase book. Purchase recorded in the sales book. Purchase return recorded in the sales return book. Sales return recorded in the purchase return book. Then sales return recorded in the purchase book. That last one, it is a wrong head only. So if purchase recorded in the sales, sales recorded in the purchase, purchase return recorded in the sales return, and the sales return recorded in the purchase return. So it have double effect. Okay, for correcting this error, we have to write the double amount. So already I said, if a payment said normally in practically suppose the company's payment we recorded in the receipt. So to rectify this error, we have to write double amount. Okay, if it is 10,000, we have to write the payment said 20,000. Then only if you write the 10,000, then we can rectify that error. So we can't remove that item receipt said. So you can rectify, but we have to write payment. So we have to write 20,000. So 10,000 that error will rectify. Then we will write 10,000 payment. Okay. So this question is like that only. Okay. Purchase transaction recorded in the sales book. Sales transaction recorded in the purchase. Debit credited. Opposite. So to rectify, we have to write double. So first one, so how to rectify this error? Credit sales to Mohan, rupees 7,000 were recorded in purchase book. Credit sales to Mohan, credit sale to Mohan were recorded in the purchase book. Sales recorded in the purchase book. So if it is debit credit error, wrong error means first we have to write the correct journal. Credit sales to Mohan, journal entry, Anach, credit sales to Mohan, journal entry.
Mohan account, debtor to sales account.
Mohan account debtor to sales account. Okay, first we have to write the correct. Then you have to look where we are recorded in the purchase book. We are recorded in the purchase book. So they are recorded in the purchase book. So this is error. They record in the purchase book. Purchase debit, that we know. Purchase debit, sales credit. Purchase return credit, sales return debit. So here means we recorded in the purchase. So purchase is debit. So to rectify this error, what we have to do? Atul, we debited a purchase. To rectify purchase, what we have to do? To rectify this error. So we debited in the purchase. Okay? Credit. So to purchase account. So you have to look what is the error. We record in the purchase. First, only the purchase they said. So purchase. So to rectify, purchase debit we know. To rectify, we have to credit. So then amount will be 7,000, 7,000, 14,000. Okay, then only this will be correct. So being credit. So first we have to write the correct entry. Then what is the error? So identify the error. If it is debit, to rectify, we have to credit. If it is credit, to rectify, we have to debit. Being credit sale to Mohan recorded in purchase book, comma, now rectified, so in every narration you can write that question, then comma, now rectified. Okay, next, credit purchase from Rohan were recorded in sales book. Credit purchase from Rohan were recorded in sales book. Means purchase transaction recorded in sales. So credit purchase from Rohan. Anjo, journal entry, correct entry. Purchase from Rohan. Purchase of goods from Rohan.
Purchase account Rohan account.
Purchase account debtor to purchase account debtor to Rohan. Then we have to look, it is recorded in the sales. So we know that sale is debit or credit, Aparna? Sale is debit or credit?
The credit.
Yes. So it is credit. Okay. So to rectify this error, what we have to do, Aparna? To rectify this error, we have to sales. What we have to do? Debit or credit?
The debit. We have to debit it.
So purchase account debtor, sales account debtor to Rohan account. So 900, then 1,800. Being credit purchase recorded in sales book, now rectified. Okay. Now next one. Goods returned to Ragesh. Goods returned to Ragesh means we returned goods. So purchased goods returned to. So purchase return were recorded in the sales return book. Tomlin, journal entry, goods returned to Ragesh. Goods returned to Ragesh.
Sir, purchase return.
You look at purchase debit. So purchase return.
Debted to.
No, I am asking. Purchase debit. So purchase return.
Credit.
So now you tell the entry. Goods returned to Ragesh. Entry will be
Ragesh account.
Ragesh account debtor to
Purchase account.
please return. Is it correct?
Purchase return account.
Now we returned in the sales return. So Tomlin, you tell sales return is debit or credit? Sales return is debit or credit?
Debit.
So debit. So to rectify, what we have to do?
Sales return account. Debted to.
It is debit. So to rectify, what we have to do? Debit or credit? Sales return?
Credit.
Okay. Okay. Ragesh account to purchase return to sales return.
Sales return.
Okay, entry will be 4,000, 4,000, 8,000. Being purchase return recorded in the sales return. Now rectified. Now rectified. Debit, credit, credit, debit. Then only double effect. Next, goods returned from Mahesh were recorded in purchase return book. So goods returned from Mahesh, Jalri, Anila. Goods returned from Mahesh.
Sales return account debtor to Mahesh account.
Yes, sales return account to Mahesh account. It is recorded in the purchase return. So Anila, purchase return is debit or credit?
Credit.
Credit. Okay, so to rectify what we have to do?
Debited.
Okay, so debit purchase return. So amount 1,000, 1,000, 2,000. Being purchase sales purchase return, sales return, being sales return recorded in the purchase return book. Now rectified. Now rectified. Next, last one. Goods returned from Mahesh were recorded in purchase book. You look at that, it is wrong head only, this one. No double effect. Why? You look at that, goods returned from Mahesh recorded in purchase book. So you look at that. Thing is that you look at sales return. This one is sales return. Debit. Is it correct? So instead of sales return, they wrote purchase. Purchase also we know that it is a debit. But purchase transaction recorded in sales book means purchase debit, sales credit. Sales credit, purchase debit. Purchase return credit, sales return debit. So two effects. Double strong. Here means sales return recorded in purchase. Purchase also debit. Wrong head. Errors of principle. No double effect that we can easily rectify. It is in sales return recorded in the purchase. So it is wrong. Correct debit is sales return. So sales return account debtor to purchase is wrong. So to rectify, we have to credit purchase. No double effect, same amount, 2,000. being sales return recorded, being sales return debited to purchase account now rectified. Now rectified. Okay. So any doubts? Okay, purchase, sales transaction, then purchase return, sales return, sales return, purchase return. But if it is a wrong head means same head only, debit only we did means, so that we can rectify errors of principle. Okay. Next one, 10th question, 10th one. Because next another topic only, one side error. So before that we will do that two side error. 10th one, rectify the following errors. Credit sales to Mohan were posted to Karan. Credit sales to Mohan were posted to Karan. Means correct we have to post in the Mohan, but we posted to Karan. So here you tell that Mohan is a debit or credit. Credit sales to Mohan, Atul. Debit or credit? Credit sales to Mohan, sold goods to Mohan.
Sir, debit.
Yes, Mohan is debit. So instead of Mohan, they wrote Karan. Okay, instead of Mohan, they debited Karan. It is wrong. It is wrong. So to rectify, anyone, what will be the entry to rectify this? Karthik,
Mohan accounted to Karan.
correct. Mohan account to Karan account. Mohan account debtor to Karan account. Being credit sale to Mohan were posted to Karan, now rectified. $7,000. Okay, so when double amount will come, purchase, sales, purchase. Wrong head, wrong side. Debit transaction we record in the credit. Credit transaction we record in the debit. Then only double. Otherwise, same amount. Next, credit purchase from Rohan were posted to Govind. Hanna, in this transaction, Rohan is debit or credit? Credit purchase from Rohan. Rohan is debit or credit? Anna.
Rohan credit.
Rohan is credit. Okay. So instead of to Rohan. So instead of Rohan, they wrote Gobind. They wrote Gobind. So rectification entry. Hanna. Instead of Rohan, they posted to Gobind. Rectification. Hanna. First. Rectification. First. Atul, rectification entry. Correct credit is Rohan. Instead of Rohan, we credited Gobind. So entry you tell.
Gobind account.
Correct.
Rohan.
Yes. Gobind account debtor to Rohan account 9,000. Being credit purchase from Rohan were posted to Gobind, now rectified. Next one. Goods returned to Ragesh were posted to Naresh. Were posted to Naresh. Goods returned to Ragesh were posted to Naresh. Goods returned to Ragesh. Ragesh is debit or credit? Aditya.
Credit.
Look, whether it is a purchase return or sales return. Aditya. Goods returned to, not from. Ragesh is debit.
Purchase return.
Yes, purchase return. So Ragesh is debit or credit? Purchase debit. So purchase return credit.
Credit.
So Ragesh will be in this entry
Debit.
debit. So Ragesh is debit. Instead of that, they wrote Naresh. This wrong. So to rectify this error, Aditya.
Rakesh account debtor to Naresh account.
Ragesh account to Naresh account. Ragesh account debtor to Naresh account. Being purchase return to Ragesh were posted to were posted to Naresh. Now rectified. Now rectified. Same amount, 4,000. Next, Sharat, cash sales rupees 2,000 were posted to commission account. Okay,
Sir, before that one question is there.
which one?
Sir, goods returned from Mahesh.
Okay, one more. Okay, so, Sharat, D, goods returned from Mahesh were posted to Manish. Sales return only. In that, Mahesh is debit or credit? Sharat, Mahesh is debit or credit?
Debit.
One thing, Sharat, sale is debit or credit?
Sale is credit.
Credit. So sales return?
Debit.
Debit. So that person then will be debit or credit? So that is sales return from Mahesh. Entry will be sales return account added to Mahesh. Clear? So in that entry, sales return account to Mahesh. So Mahesh is credited. So instead of Mahesh, they wrote Manish. Sharat, then rectification entry you tell.
Manish.
Correct Mahesh. Instead of Mahesh, he wrote Manish.
So Manish account added to Mahesh account.
Yes, Manish account added to Mahesh account. Manish account added to Mahesh account. Being sales return from Mahesh were posted to Manish. Next, Aparna, next, cash sales were posted to commission. So one thing you have to remember, we know that books of original entries. Cash book, purchase, sales, purchase return, sales return. These are the books of original entry. But you know, one thing you have to remember, sales book means we are recording the credit sales. Sales book, we are recording the credit sales. Purchase book, we are recording the credit purchase. So here they given, so cash book is here, cash account is sales, that is entry. So if you prepare the cash book, no need to post. It serves both a journal and ledger. We studied. Cash book serves both a journal and a ledger. Already we studied. So here means cash sales were posted to commission. So here posting is which one? Sales only. It is cash sales only. For that we have to prepare the sales account. If it is credit sales, no problem, no need of posting because sales book we are preparing. Here cash sale is there, cash book, that is books of original entry, that is journal. Posting means ledger only. Here means posting is related to sales. So cash sales means sales that we posted to commission account instead of sale, we wrote commission. Instead of sales, we posted to commission account. So entry, Aparna.
Sir, commission account added to sales account.
Yes, commission account added to sales account. Okay, this everything errors of commission account to sales account 2000. Being sale were posted to, being sales were posted to commission account. $2,000. So now we will study some one-sided errors. So sixth question, it is related to one-sided errors. Errors which affect the agreement of trial balance. That is one-sided errors. So it will affect the trial balance. If any one-sided error is there, then the trial balance should not be equal. So what are the one-sided error? Normally one-sided error is which one? Undercast, overcast. They wrote very less, they wrote very more amount. Correct amount is 10,000, we wrote 15,000. Correct amount is 10,000, we wrote 8,000. Undercast and overcast. Then which one? Not posted. Okay, wrong side, posting to the wrong side, not posted, posting wrong amount, wrong side. Instead of debit, they wrote a credit. Only one item. Other item correct, one item. Instead of debit, we wrote a credit. Okay. Undercast, mean undercast, overcast. Then not posted. Then posting of wrong amount. You look, not posted. One effect not posted. So these are the errors, main one-sided errors. If there is a one-sided error, no journal entry is required. Okay, so only the amount is written on the debit and the credit side of the account. That is one-sided error. Mainly undercast, overcast, posting wrong amount, wrong side. One item wrong side. One item correct. One item wrong side. Okay. Only one side error. Only one. Which one? Only debit we posted. Only credit we posted. So that is one-sided error. So for that, no journal entry is required. Example. Okay. Next, they will discuss related to one-sided error. So the thing is that you study undercast, overcast. Turn on your video. Undercast, overcast, posting on the wrong side. Posting on the wrong side. Only one effect we posted on the wrong side. Posting of wrong amount. It will affect the trial balance. Okay. So that is one-sided errors. So it will affect the trial balance. Okay, suppose purchase transaction recorded in the sales transaction, but that person account is correctly debited or credited. That is also one-sided error. Okay, so purchase transaction account in the sales book, but person correct only one item only wrong, it will affect the trial balance. That is one-sided error. Undercast, overcast, not posted to one. We suppose which one? Depreciation of machinery, depreciation account to machinery. We not posted to machinery account. Depreciation posted, not posted to machinery. That is then posting on wrong amount. Posting on wrong amount. That is one-sided error. So if we are now we are studying the rectification of errors before the preparation of trial balance. In this case, no need of journal entry. But if you rectify the error after the preparation of trial balance, then we will open suspense account. Okay, that we will study in the next class. Thank you.